Good morning, viewers, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Now, this channel teaches you Luo and translates it to English. This is a new form of presentation, and we hope you like it. Today, we're going to talk about the human body, and the human body is called Dendano. Dendano. So, we shall look at the parts. And then we'll keep on adding the parts to various videos as time goes by. Good? Let's move on. So the first part we talk about is the head, and the head is called WICH. 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 So my head, WIYA. WIYA. Your head, WIYI. WIYI. His head or her head, WIYE. WIYE. WIYA. WIYI. WIYE. General head is WICH. And now we look at sentences. Wiya bara. Wiya bara. Wiye bare. Wiye bare. Wiyi bari. Wiyi bari. Wiyi bari. Wiyi bari. So the difference between the two last ones, the first one is a statement, the second one is a question. Wiyi bari. Wiyi bari. Wiyi bari. Wiyi bari. So you pronounce the ba more on the second one than on the first one. Wiyi bari. Wiyi bari. The eye is called wang. 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 So the ng and apostrophe is ng. Ng. Wang. Like you want to say sing, then you say sing. Wang. Wanga. Wangi. Wange. Wanga. Wangi. Wange. Let's say it together. Wanga. Wangi. Wange. Great. So my eye, wanga. Your eye, wangi. His eye, wange. In a sentence, wanga otimo ololo. Wanga otimo ololo. Now, olole is a pus infection, the one you wake up in the morning and you find pus on your eyes. It's called ololo. So, wanga otimo ololo. His wangi otimo ololo. That means your eye now. Wange otimo ololo. His eye. Wange otimo ololo. Beautiful. If you have two eyes, we say wenge. Not wenge now. We say wenge. 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 Wenge na tindo. Wenge na tindo. Wenge na rachar. Wenge na rachar. Wenge na rakwar. Chal ni atuo. Wenge na rakwar. Chal ni atuo. Let's go that again. Wenge na tindo. Wenge na rachar. Wenge na rakwar. Chal ni atuo. The nose is um. umma, umma, ummi, ummi, umme, umme. Now, because of English having me as me, people tend to say ummi in the second one and not I in the first one. So you say ummi in the middle one and umme, umme to mean his or her nose. In a sentence, uma otimo othinyo. Uma otimo othinyo. Uma otimo othinyo. Ng'ato ogoyo ume ngum. Ng'ato ogoyo ume ngum. Ng'ato ogoyo ume ngum. Umi ni kod bur ma okuot akuota ni. Umi ni kod bur ma okuot akuota ni. Again, uma otimo othinyo. Ng'ato ogoyo ume ngum. Umi ni kod bur ma okuot akuota ni. Dhok. Dhok. DH is D. So dhok. Dhok. Dhoga. Dhogi. Dhoge. Dhogwa. Dhoga. Dhogi. Dhoge. Dhogwa. Dhoga. Dhogi. Dhoge. Dhogwa. Dhoga nitiere but uma. Dhoga nitiere but uma. Dhoge nitiere but ume. Dhoge nitiere but ume. Dhogi nitiere but umi. Dhogi nitiere but umi. Now I'll pick that again. Dhoga nitiere but uma. Dhoge nitiere but ume. Dhogi nitiere but umi. It. It. So it becomes ear. It. Eater. Eater. Iti. Iti. Ite. Ite. Itwa. Itwa. Itu. Itwu. Itwu. So there are two syllables. It and wu. Itwu. I'll start again. Ita. Ita. Iti. Ite. Itwa. Itu. Ite dongo kamag liech. Ite dongo ka mag liech. Ite olil chal ni ok oluok ga. Ite olil chal ni ok oluok ga. Kokono miyo itwa ramowa. Kokono miyo itwa ramowa. I'll take that again. Ite dongo ka mag liech. ite dongo ka mag liech. Ite olil, chal ni ok oluok ga. Ite olil, chal ni ok oluok ga. Kokono miyo itwa ramowa. Kokono miyo itwa ramowa. So in the first one, it should be his ears, not my ears. YIER. YIER. Y-E-Y-E-R. R. YIER. YIER. Wiya. Wiye. Wiyi. Again. Wiya. Wiye. Wiyi. Yier wiya boyo nikech akado ga gotieno. There's an A missing between the K and the D. Yier wiya boyo nikech akado ga gotieno. So if it's the other person, you say yier wiyi boyo, and the sentence remains the same. Or yier wiye boyo, and the sentence remains the same. Yier wiya boyo. Yier wiyi boyo. Yier wiye boyo nikech okado ga gotieno. LEMB. 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 LEMBA. LEMBA. LEMBI. LEMBI. LEMBE. LEMBE. LEMBGE. LEMBGE. LEMBA. LEMBI. LEMBE. LEMBGE. Lemba okuot nikech atuo. Lemba okuot nikech atuo. So if it's the other person, lembe okuot nikech otuo. Lembi okuot nikech ituo. So it's just lemba okuot atuo. Lembe okuot otuo. Lembi okuot ituo. Get the drift? Good. Yier wang. Yier wang. Yier wang. Remember the apostrophe? So ng. Yier wang. Yier wanga. Yier wangi. Yier wange. Yier wanga. Yier wangi. Yier wange. And in a sentence, yier wanga boyo. Yier wanga boyo. Yier wanga boyo. Lak. Lak. Laka. Laki. Lake. Lak. Laka. Laki. Lake. Lake ne obukre gotieno ma oringo odhi e od thieth. Lake ne obukre gotieno ma oringo odhi e od thieth. Lake ne obukre gotieno. So in my case it would be laka ne obukre gotieno ma aringo adhi e od thieth. Leke. Leke. Leke now becomes the plural. Lekena. Lekeni. Lekene. Lekena. Lekeni. Lekene. If you had to take this sentence and plug into the other one, it would be lekena ne obukore gotieno ma aringo adhi e od thieth. Or lekene ne obukore gotieno ma oringo odhi e od thieth. So in a sentence, lekene tar maber manadeni. So that's a compliment to a lady. Lekene tar maber manadeni. Her teeth are white and so beautiful. Lekene tar. So if you want to tell a girl directly, you say lekeni tar maber manadeni. Lekeni tar maber manadeni. Lep. Lep. Lewa. Lewi. Lewe. Lep. Lewa. Lewi. Lewe. And I didn't put a sentence, but you can get a sentence on any of the other ones. You could say lewa. Lewa, let's say lewa is let's say your tongue is white, you'd say lewa rachar maber. My tongue is white and beautiful. Lewa rachar maber. Or my tongue is pink. Lewa rakwar maber. Okay. Ngut. 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 And I noticed that especially non-Luo speakers, those who are non-native speakers, struggle to get the apostrophe. So practice the ngu, ngu, ngu every day until you finally get it. Ngut. Ngut. Nguta. Nguti. Ngute. Nguta. Nguti. Ngute. Ngute bor kamar ongo. Ngute bor kamar ongo. So she has a long neck like a crane. Ngute. I didn't put the apostrophe between G and U. It should be there. Ngute bor kamar ongo. Gok. Gok. Goka. Goki. Goki. Gok. Goka. Goke. Goki. Ting' nyathino e goki, eka obiro winjo maber. Ting' nyathino e goki, eka obiro winjo maber. Ting' nyathino e goki, eka obiro winjo maber. Agoko. Agoko. Agoga. Agogi. Agoge. agoko, agoga, agogi, agoge. That's the chest. Agoge oyiech nikech chuma ma oting'o pile. 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 Okumbo, okumbo, okumbona, okumboni, okumbone, okumbona, okumboni, okumbone. That's the elbow. Anyalo tiyo kod okumbo na yao dhod no. Anyalo tiyo kod okumbo na yawo dhod no. Anyalo tiyo kod okumbo na yawo dhod no. Lwedo, lwedo, lweta, lweti, lwete, lwedo, lweta, lweti, lwete. Lwete otimo leche. Lwete otimo leche. Lwete otimo leche. Lith lwedo, lith lwedo. So the TH is pronounced as th, th. Lith lwedo, lith lweta, lith lwede, lith lweti. And especially for Americans, if you're going to pronounce the T, it has to pronounce as ta, te, ti. So lweta, lwete, lweti. Just as a precaution. And that is the end of the video. Now, if you love this presentation style, please give it a thumbs up. We shall be posting more of such. And please give us comments, give us questions, and any other thing you'd like us to talk about. We find this very encouraging because it gives us the opportunity to explain everything that our listeners and viewers would like to hear. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye.